Millions of people are listening to books while commuting, working out, and doing chores. And most of them use one platform, Audible. If you've ever wondered how Audible works, this video breaks it all down for you. And stay until the end, because I'll share a simple trick that helped me save over 40% on my Audible membership. How to sign up and get started. To use Audible, you need an Amazon account. If you don't have one already, you can create it in just a few minutes. Audible offers a 30-day free trial to all new members. You can start your free trial using the first link in the description below. How Audible membership works. Audible offers two main membership types. The standard plan, starting at $8.99 per month, and the Premium Plus plan, starting at $14.95 per month. With the standard plan, you can pick one audiobook each month from Audible's catalog. However, you don't own that audiobook. You can only listen to it while your membership is active. The standard plan isn't available in all countries, so check whether it's available in your region. The Premium Plus plan is Audible's most popular option, and for most people, it offers the best value. There are currently 4 Premium Plus options. Premium Plus, 1 credit, Premium Plus, 2 credits, Premium Plus Annual, 12 credits. Premium Plus Annual, 24 credits. As a Premium Plus member, you get 1 or more credits each month. Each credit unlocks one title from Audible's full catalog, regardless of its retail price. Unlimited access to the Plus catalog. Thousands of included audiobooks available at no extra cost. 30% off all cash purchases. Access to exclusive member-only sales. But the biggest advantage? Any audiobook you buy with credits or cash is yours to keep forever, even if you cancel your membership later. However, you'll lose access to Plus catalog titles if you cancel your membership. I recommend the Premium Plus plan over the standard plan for anyone who's serious about building an audiobook library. How does the Audible app work? Once you've downloaded the Audible app on your device, sign in with your Amazon account. The app has 4 main sections accessible from the bottom navigation bar: Home, Library, Discover, and Profile. Let me walk you through each one. Home highlights top titles across different categories. Personalized recommendations based on your interests and listening history, current sales, and new releases. Library is where all your Audible content lives: audiobooks, podcasts, and anything you've purchased on Audible or Amazon. Everything shows up here in one place. Discover helps you find your next listen. You can browse by category or series, or tap the search icon in the top right to look for a specific title. Profile shows your membership details, listening stats, and a link to the settings menu, where you can customize the app to your preferences. How to purchase Audible books. You can purchase audiobooks through the Audible app, the Audible website, or Amazon's website. Wherever you buy, the book will automatically appear in the library section of your Audible app. Here's how to buy a book directly in the app. Tap the Discover tab in the bottom navigation bar. From here, you can browse Audible's catalog by category, or use the search option to find a specific book. For this example, I want to buy The Millionaire Fastlane by M.J. DeMarco. I'll tap the search icon and type the name of the book I want to purchase. From the search results, I will tap the book cover. On the book details page, you can buy the title with a credit, purchase it with cash, or add it to your wish list. As a Premium Plus member, you'll also see a 30% discount applied to the cash price. I'll go ahead and use 1 credit to purchase this book. Once purchased, the book appears in your library. Tap the cover to download it and start listening right away. After it's downloaded, you can listen offline anytime. No internet connection needed. My strategy to get Audible membership at a discount. Now for the tip I promised at the start. When your free trial is close to expiring, Audible shows you discounted offers to encourage you to stay. Most people miss these because they don't know where to look. A few days before your trial ends, visit the Show Offers page. That's where the deals appear. When my annual plan was about to renew recently, Audible offered me the 12-credit annual plan for $85.99 instead of the regular price of $149.50, a saving of over 42%. I took it without hesitation. So don't let your trial expire without checking the show offers page first. You could save a significant amount just by spending 30 seconds there. If this video helped you understand how Audible works, hit the like button and subscribe for more Audible tips, tutorials, and audiobook recommendations.